Chapter 15. Time and Directions. Get set. Look at the picture. If Rahul will be standing in the middle then and are standing to his right. To his left are and. Time. The sun helps us in finding the time. The day begins with sunrise. This time of the day is called morning. After some time, the sun appears high in the sky. This time of the day is called noon. After this, the sun starts coming down and it begins to set. This time of the day is called evening. Slowly, it becomes dark after sunset, moon and stars appear in the sky. This time is called night. We sleep at night and the next day begins with the rise of the sun again. Morning, noon, evening, night. We use a clock or watch to tell time. A clock tells us the time in hours and minutes. Did you know? Time is very precious. We should not waste it. Study the table given below. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 fortnight is equal to 15 days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 decade is equal to 10 years. 1 century is equal to 100 years. Did you know? 1 leap year has 29 days in the month of February instead of 28. Directions. There are 4 major directions: east, west, north and south. When we stand facing the rising sun with our arms stretched, east is in the direction in which the sun rises. West is in the direction opposite to east. The left hand will point towards the north and the right hand will point towards the south. Directions help in locating places. Map. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Maps help us to locate places. Look at the map of India. The top of the map always points to the north and the bottom points to the south. The right of the map shows east. The left of the map shows west. Mark the directions on this world map. Did you know? A person who makes a map is called a cartographer. Summary. Time is very important. It is very precious. The sun helps us in finding the time. We use a clock or watch to tell time. There are 4 major directions: east, west, north and south. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. The sun rises in the A. East, B. West, C. North. 2. 1 week has days. A. 10, B. 31, C. 7. 3. 1 decade is equal to 10. A. Weeks, B. Years, C. Months. 4. 1 century is equal to years. A. 1, B. 10, C. 100. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. They help us in finding the time. 2. There are directions. 3. Directions help in locating. 4. The day begins with. C. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the 4 major directions? 2. What is a map? 3. What tells us about the time? 4. From which directions the sun rises? Activity. 1. With the help of teacher, make a cutout of a clock on a cardboard. 2. Write the direction in which post office, temple, police station and bank is located. Temple, post office, bank, police station. Life skill. 1. If you lose your way, go to a policeman and ask for help. 2. Fill in the blanks.